So you're saying that I recommended to create a new page if the page was restricted from advertising? Yes. In your case, you didn't violate, but your mistake, because you fill in the wrong appeal. Okay, it's been 3 years now. What should you do? Some digital say new page will also get restricted. Is that true? First thing first, yes and no, that when you create a new page where you have a, like a back record of having a page restricted, you might get it restricted again, but the chance is actually pretty slim because page restriction is the least severe problem when it comes to meta advertising, because the most, common serious problem will be ads account restricted or your business manager restricted, but it's just the page restricted. You can feel free to create a page and try again. Yeah, so chances are it's gonna be okay. Otherwise, the next thing you can try to do is you create a business portfolio first, whereby now we call it business portfolio, but it was called business manager, whereby you are able to manage multiple business portfolio, as in like business assets in Meta, like your Facebook page, your Instagram account, your Meta Ads Manager, and so on and so forth. So this is where you manage different things at a different level, even people, where you can have team members and stuff like that to manage your assets for you. So if you want to be sure, you can actually create a business portfolio. First, you create a business portfolio, and then in the business portfolio, you create a page within the business portfolio. So if you have any issue, then you can actually allow whoever who is in your, because when you have a business portfolio, you can add other team member in. And if you have problem with the page, or it's because of you can actually get the other person to create the page in your business portfolio or on behalf of you. Or you want to go in a more simple way, you can actually get someone else, like your business partner, your team member or whatnot, to create a page for you. All right. And then, post and, like build it and kind of like populate it for a while. When it's stable, you can add yourself back into it as a Facebook, as a page admin. Then you should be able to take it from there, because the page can be transferred technically. Yeah, a person can create a page and you can actually give it to someone else. So it's a complete thing if you are, like worried. But frankly speaking, I really think it's not really a big deal. You can really try and create a new page and see whether everything is going to be all right. Because frankly, I don't think page restriction is that bad. But yeah, if you want to be cautious, I've just given you a few options that you can consider, where you can hopefully solve your problem and move on to do whatever you need to do. All right. So yeah, just in case you need a one-on-one support, like sometimes you're not sure whether this is a page problem or you did something different, especially when you have some, ad account issue where you get restricted and stuff like that. You can scan this QR code and book a one-on-one Zoom call with me, because this is how I provide support to my, like all the advertisers from all around the world, where if you just need a quick fix, whether it's your campaign structure, you're not sure whether it's done right or not, or you have a campaign running, but it's not doing very well, and you want to know why, or you have any issues that you're facing when it comes to meta advertising, you just need somebody to come in and take a look what's going on in your campaign and what are the things that you can do to hopefully fix the problem or take it to the next level. This is where I actually provide the support. Scan this QR code, you can book the time and pay, and I look forward to work with you.